babayı yok mu?
He's heading on the freeway, going east on the 210 freeway. Here comes the unit. He speeds up and now he's on the off-ramp. The off-ramp to the 210. He's got to pull in traffic. There's a moving van ahead. That's it. That's it. He's had a head-on collision with another SUV. That driver didn't even see the other car coming. It's a head-on collision.
That innocent motorist never had a chance. The fugitive vehicle was hidden from view behind the moving van, so the other driver had no time to react.
The driver suspect is out, given up. But there are probably injuries here, and the police have called for an ambulance. He's on the ground now with his hands up. He's given up. He's given up.
The
Nu, hai să văd dacă treci.
To the extent that you do any of these things, you jeopardize the safety and well-being of Florida students and risk violating Florida law.
Oh my God.
Prosecuting children.
I thought I was giving him a chicken salad because that's all I seen. What? Oh my God! Like what the fuck are you doing, buddy?
I don't know how you stopped that, Kevin, and didn't hit him.
Like honest to fuck, I'm telling ya. Like what in the fuck is wrong with people?
Forerunner's a fucking moron.
I know.
What the fuck are you doing?
You had all that time to get over.
And it still hits me randomly when I'm brushing my teeth.
What was
I'll
it?
look in the mirror
Because
and
you
I'll
were
say,
talking about something like how you wanted
What
to.
kind of person are you?
It had something to do with dropping puppies off a bridge or
No,
something
it was,
you were
it was
talking
going
about.
to the airport. I had no sympathy for anyone heading to Terminal 1 these days. I still don't have much sympathy for anyone who goes to Terminal 1 and says, what's going on here?
Yeah,
You do have sympathy.
well, because
For
people
people
sometimes have to
traveling.
go to the airport. Like, you know.
Dude, move your... Oh my God. This is not a fucking parking space. You're in a fucking lane, you asshole. What are you doing? What are you doing? Fuck you!